What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Kamy.
And your boy, King.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Welcome.
Alright, you guys. Today we got a reaction for you. Today we are reacting to
Fleetwood Mac.
Christine McVie. So we're excited to hear this.
Songbird.
Oh, yeah. So Fleetwood Mac.
I would have forgot that, too.
And Christina McVie, huh?
Oh, look at the screen.
It should be a good one. This song is going up right now. As everybody knows, Christina McVie passed away. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace for real.
To a legend.
A big legend.
So we are definitely showing support and love by reacting to this video. If you guys like this video, make sure that you
like, comment, and subscribe on that thing.
Alright, you guys, without further ado, let's get into this reaction.
Let's get it.
For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, because I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold, because I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. And I wish you all the love in the world. Oh, but most of all, I wish it from myself. And the songbirds keep singing like they knew the score. Thank you and God bless everybody. Good night. Like never before.
Oh, that's crazy. I ain't like you. That shit was hitting the notes and stuff. Dang.
I know, it's so beautiful. I loved it.
I don't know how she did it.
Right? You could really tell that she put a lot of love into her music and that she left it all on the stage. And that's why she's being remembered, for a great life. It's just crazy to see someone pass away, like, after they have lived such a beautiful life and a long life. And it's really sad to see, well, not long, because, I'm not sure how old she was, but just a beautiful life. It's, like, really sad to see them go, but then you can appreciate all the memories that they left behind, and it kind of like just wraps up everything at the end of someone's life, like all the good, the bad, everything you've lost and loved and learned. And she's this beautiful voice. Her vocals, you could just feel like her spirit through it. And so we hope that her family is doing good, and we send prayers to everyone in Christina and McVie's family.
Nice.
Around the holidays, they're burying her, so definitely send our condolences. Alright, if you guys like this video, let us know down below. Make sure that you
like, comment, subscribe on that thing.
Alright, you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.